if I am not a perfect A student, do I still stand a chance with an Ivy League school?
Well, honestly, it is difficult, but I wouldn't say it's impossible. Don't forget that many of the Ivy League school students are overachievers in all aspects of their life. Okay, but that doesn't mean you should be discouraged and not apply. Bear in mind that you need to then work much harder to improve your grades, work on boosting your extracurricular activities, and work towards being the best applicant that you can be.